because they said on the day you were the best balloon twister they've seen, but it's, and he said, and he's seen some really great balloon twisters, but actually are not good with kids and not good with, you know, interacting with people.
I do a monster truck. I've done a truck before years ago, but then I added different wheels and it makes it a totally cool balloon. So I'm gonna do a monster truck. So start out with a balloon, about 8-ish fingers, basically a 3-bubble push through. Make this one soft. Split it. Kind of like that. Then do 2 air twists. Followed by basically a teddy bear head. Come back down with the teddy bear head. So you get basically a 3-bubble push through, split that one, 2 air twist, teddy bear head. And then basically you're making the back of the truck. Same kind of thing. Twist that off. Split that. These are basically your axles where your tires are going to go. Take a head. I like the mustache guys for me. Put that right into here. Twist off a little bubble at the back of the head. Shove that between the two. And that gets you a face. Alright. Got a face on there. And we got the body of the truck. Then you take some round balloons. Where I used to split an apple. But you take the round, blow them up, leave the knots kind of long. Slide them through there. Come out to the other side. Pull it tight, tie it on. You get 2 wheels there. Do another 2 wheels. You got the front wheels and the back wheels, and everything we don't make is the steering wheel. Once you got those on there, you got your wheels, and you got a monster truck. Alright, we're at Cleveland Bike Week. Well, Bicycle Week, not exactly Bike Week. I brought my unicycle, but I was told I didn't have enough wheels. But it's a really big event, but not a lot of people showed up. A lot of people, I guess, were here yesterday, but not so much today. So, let me flip ya. Boom! Wah, boom! Woo! We're hitting on the girls.